Tropical storm watch now in effect for Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A tropical storm watch is now in effect for Jamaica, which means that tropical conditions pose a possible threat to the country within 48 hours. The tropical storm watch was issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica on Friday evening as Tropical Depression Number 9 continues to strengthen over the Central Caribbean Sea, moving closer to Jamaica. The Met Service said that in its latest update issued at 5 p.m. on Friday that on the current forecast track, Tropical Depression Number 9 will move over the waters south of Hispaniola on Saturday and move closer to Jamaica's southwestern coastal line as a tropical storm on Saturday night and Sunday before heading towards the direction of the Cayman Islands. All small craft operators, including fisheries, from quays and banks, should now have completed all the necessary safety precautions and are advised to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and the wind and sea level condition return to normal. The Met Service also advised people in Jamaica that they should expect weather conditions to gradually begin to deteriorate, with rainfall associated with the depression outer bands on Saturday morning. Rainfall will increase during the day and is likely to be accompanied by gusty winds by Saturday night, it added. The Met Service said that it would continue monitoring the system and provide further updates. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.